Well, what an absolute beautiful day here in North Georgia, out on Lake Lanier, testing this Sea-Doo GTX 947. This is it runs pretty good. It's certainly not the fastest boat on the lake, that's for sure. I think it does about 45 with my big ass on it. But gorgeous day. Water temperature is still pretty cold, about 57 degrees. So launching the boat was a little bit of fun. But yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous out here. Like I said, the boat runs pretty good. I wish I would have put a little more fuel in it. I could have put some more time in on it today, but she seems like she's doing pretty good. So overall, I'm pretty pleased, and hopefully we get a little bit of use out of this thing this summer and enjoy it. Won't be pulling any tubes, that's for sure, but at least we'll get out and see the lake from a different perspective.